Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. Putting a hitch on your Subaru Crosstrek can lead to some amazing adventures like biking, camping, or snow skiing. You could even tow a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Now let me show you how to complete this install. You will need the following tools and supplies to complete this installation. For this hitch install, we're going to enlarge an access hole. So in order to do that, we want to make some more room by lowering the exhaust. And we always support the exhaust with a strap. You can now remove your rubber exhaust hangers using exhaust pliers. If needed, use a solution of soapy water to help ease the removal of the rubber hanger. There are two on the driver's side, one on the passenger side, and one forward of your rear cross member. You can now remove 6 rubber plugs from the frame rail, 3 on each side. We are now ready to enlarge our access holes. There's going to be one on each side of the vehicle. The center hole, we're going to use a step drill bit and a power drill to do this. We're now ready to install the hardware using the provided fish wire, 1/2-inch bolt, carriage bolt spacer, and a flange nut. Insert your fish wire through your rearmost hole. You can reach in with your finger, but be very careful. This edge is now very sharp. It might be a good idea to use a magnet tool to find the fish wire. Pulling it out through the access hole we have enlarged and installing the carriage bolt spacer and then the carriage bolt. You can now pull the bolt through. Repeat for the forwardmost hole. Now repeat this process on the driver's side. To raise this hitch into place, I will be using this U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you do not have one, we recommend you get a second set of hands because this hitch is heavy. Pass the rearmost fish wire through the hitch plate. For the forwardmost bolt, we must put this custom spacer on the fish wire before it goes through the plate. This way it will be between the hitch plate and the vehicle's frame. Now repeat for the other side. Continue raising your hitch into place, lining up the bolts with the holes in the hitch plate. You can now remove the fish wires and install your flange nut. Take care not to lose the hardware into the frame, using a flathead screwdriver if needed to hold the bolt while you remove the wire. We can now torque the hardware to the manufacturer's specifications using our torque wrench, an extension, and a 3/4 inch socket. You can find the torque specifications linked in the description below. You can now raise your exhaust back and put them on the rubber hangers. Now remove your exhaust support strap. Now that our hitch is installed, we've pulled the vehicle onto level ground to show you some important measurements. This is a 2-inch hitch receiver. From the pinhole to the end of the bumper is 3 inches. From the ground to the top of the receiver is 15 inches. These measurements will help you determine the necessary length, rise, or drop of your hitch accessories like a ball mount, bike rack, ski carrier, or cargo carrier. That concludes a hitch installation on a Subaru Crosstrek. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you out there. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com.